Hi, I'm Reese. When it comes to power toothbrushes, one of the biggest questions is about modes. Do you really need multiple brushing modes on your power toothbrush? The short answer is it depends on your teeth and gums. Let's break down what the different modes actually do. Sensitive mode lowers the intensity, making it gentle on delicate gums and ideal if you've had dental work or experience sensitivity. Gum care mode uses a softer rhythm to massage the gum line, which can help improve circulation, overall gum health, and also for anyone who has receding gum lines. Whitening mode adds extra power and polishing to lift surface stains from coffee, tea, or wine. And deep clean mode is all about intensity. Perfect for those times you want that super fresh dentist level clean. Now, no matter which mode you use, the technique matters most. With a power toothbrush, you don't need to scrub back and forth. Place the brush head at a 45-degree angle to the gum line. Let the brush do the work and gently guide it tooth by tooth. 2 minutes, twice a day is the sweet spot. So, do you need all the modes? Not necessarily, but having them gives you flexibility to switch up your routine depending on your oral health needs. If you're unsure which brush or mode suits you best, come in store or chat with us online. At Shaver Shop, we'll help you find the right brush and show you how to get the most out of it.